Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove grid lines from a TradingView chart. If you find the grid distracting or you just want a cleaner, minimalist look for your analysis, this quick tweak will make your chart feel more open and easier on the eyes. Removing grid lines can create a less cluttered environment, helping you focus more on the key data points and chart patterns that matter most to you, without any distractions. Start on your chart and place your cursor anywhere on the main price area. Right-click to open the context menu, then choose Settings. This opens the Chart Settings panel. Make sure you're clicking on the actual chart canvas, not on a separate indicator pane, so you see the correct menu. It's essential to select the chart itself, because clicking anywhere else might bring up a different menu that doesn't allow you to adjust the visual elements of the chart. Once the settings window is open, look for the Canvas tab. Depending on your version, this section might be labeled Canvas or something similar, but it's the area that controls how the background and visual elements of the chart look. Inside the Canvas tab, you'll see the grid lines options. These options control the horizontal and vertical grid lines that divide your chart into sections. Grid lines can be useful for some traders, but if you prefer a cleaner view, removing them is a great option. Click on the grid lines control to open its options and change it to None. As soon as you set it to None, you should see the lines disappear from the chart in the background. This adjustment is applied instantly, so you can immediately confirm the cleaner look without closing the settings window. It's a quick and visual change, allowing you to instantly see how much more space your chart gains when you remove the grid lines. That's really the entire process. Right-click and open Settings, go to the Canvas tab, find grid lines, and set them to None. From here, you can close the settings and you're done. It's that simple. This minor tweak can significantly improve your charting experience, especially if you prefer working with less visual noise. A few tips to keep in mind as you make this change. Removing grid lines can help you focus on price action, patterns, and indicators without visual noise. It's particularly useful for traders who use price action strategies, as it allows you to zoom in on the candlesticks or other technical elements of the chart without distractions. If you still want some structure, you can revisit the same grid lines option later and pick a softer style or lower contrast instead of None. Your choice will depend on your personal preference and how you read the chart. For example, some traders prefer a light grid line with low contrast that still provides structure without overwhelming the chart. Also, this change saves to your current chart layout automatically, so if you switch symbols or timeframes within the same layout, the grid will stay off. This makes it a seamless option for users who switch between different charts or setups, saving time. If you ever want the grid back, just repeat the same path and select a grid style again, rather than None. You have full flexibility to adjust it to fit your needs at any time. And there you go, simple and effective. You now know the quickest way to remove grid lines from your TradingView chart, giving you a cleaner workspace that highlights the data that matters most. This can help you stay more focused on your analysis, making it easier to spot key trends and patterns without unnecessary distractions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined charting experience. Don't forget to hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful, and subscribe for more TradingView tips and tricks. Happy trading!